Hello, and welcome to the virtual Back to School Parent Information Night. My name is Shelley Treeley, and I'm the Title I Reading Specialist here at Moran. 5 of our elementaries in Parent Harris Madison have a Title I Reading Specialist, and we are Title I because our free and reduced population exceeds the corporation average. So we are provided with extra services, and I'm one of those extra services. We have aides as well. So, one of my responsibilities, besides providing instruction for the children, is to support our reading challenge. Every year we have a really fun reading challenge here at Moran, and we have this year is going to be no different. In your back to school tote, you should have received a calendar that looks like this. And when I look at the calendar, September is already here. So we're hoping that you're reading beyond what is assigned by your teacher throughout the day, and you're reading an average of 450 minutes a week, or excuse me, a month for the reading challenge. So that equates to about 15 to 20 minutes a day. And if you choose to do the reading challenge, which you know that I want you to, right? Then we will have rewards for you throughout the year. So it's explained on here, but here's the premise. It's pretty simple. We would like you to read beyond what the school day, I know it's all virtual now, so beyond what your teacher has assigned you, and you would write it and tally it up for us. And put it in that last square how many minutes you've read that month. And if you have read 450 or more, then we're going to figure out some kind of reward for you. I got to be really honest. We don't know right now what that monthly reward's going to be, but we're thinking really hard about something fun. So we'll certainly reward those who have earned that. If you have any questions about the reading challenge or Title I services here at Moran, I'm your gal. Ask me, and I will help you understand the process a little bit more. Have a great evening.